What's the deal, YouTube, man? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. It is your boy Tez. I hope y'all are having a great, wonderful, amazing, outstanding, marvelous freaking day, dude. Marvelous. Now, as y'all can see by the title and thumbnail, y'all know what we getting into, bro. We are doing a updated what I have done to my 2023 M5 competition. Starting off right here, off the elephant in the room, you can see right here, I have a carbon fiber vented hood. Now this is real carbon fiber with the real vents that actually work. These ain't the fake vents that don't work. These the real ones, you feel me? These are the real ones, bro. And look, hold on, let me pop the hood for you. Yeah, ka-cha-cha. Dry carbon fiber under the freaking hood, man. And of course, since we already in the engine bay, I gotta get to what's in the engine bay. We have the F90 intakes. Now, a lot of this, y'all already saw, but I'ma still go over it for the people who didn't see. We have the F90 intakes. We are waiting on my F90 inlets. When I say waiting, we are waiting on me to order them. Cause who was paying $700? Like the video, look at me right now. Like the video, okay? Have you liked it yet? I said, have you liked the video yet? All right, let's continue. All right, also inside the engine bay, we have a set of down pipes attached to them big old turbos back there. They not the pure turbos, but we gonna get pure turbos. But right now, I'm really focused on just cosmetic mods. Why? Because my car is still under warranty. So unless y'all gonna pay for something, if it break while it's under warranty, because I avoided it because I wanted to mod it, we're gonna wait till this warranty done. You feel me? So it just gotta make sense. Then, since we on the front end, y'all saw in the last video, since we on the front end, we have my carbon fiber in performance front lip. And this thing is heat. I can't hear you. You said it's what? It's heat. It is so freaking fire, bro. It added so much flame to this car, bro. It looks so freaking good, bro. And y'all kept telling me, get the front lip, get the front lip, get the front lip, get the front lip. And finally, I listened. And I'm glad I did, bro. So if y'all got any more suggestions that y'all want me to do to the car, leave it in the comments down below. I'm willing to do anything. All right, I wouldn't say anything, but I'm willing to do a lot. You know what I'm saying? So just let me know down below, man. But I think that's it for the front of the car, bro. I think that's it for the front of the car. That's all we have right now. We do have some other modifications coming, and I was gonna wait until them came, but it's like, bro, I could just make another video. Y'all like these videos anyway, right? Hey, have you liked the video? Like the video right now. All right, now let's move on to the side of the car. Unlike my skating skills, which are a little sloppy, we have the M Performance carbon fiber mirror caps. Now, these came on the car. It was option with it, because who wouldn't get the option carbon fiber mirror caps? Who wouldn't do that? All right, moving on to down here. Right here, you have the M Performance. What are these called? Side skirts. I knew what that was called. I was testing you. The M Performance side skirts. Now this is it for the side, man. And obviously, hold on. Whoa. Hold on now. Whoa. Huh. Y'all see it? Y'all want me to say it to y'all again? Right here. Right here. The car is lowered on a KW Has kit. Now this kit cost me roughly around, don't worry about how much it costs, a lot of money. Did you like the video? I know I'm sweating, but I need you to like the video right now, or I'm gonna keep sweating in your face just like this. Moving on, I did paint match my reflectors as well because the orange ones, bro, they serve no purpose, bro. It's just there. Why are you there? What are you doing? So I paint matched them. So obviously they match the paint color, which is skyscraper gray. You know what I'm saying? With the black calibers, because the black calibers look the best in my opinion. That's what I like. The back, let me get y'all a closer look on the back, because the back is literally dumped, bro. I mean dumped. Look at this, bro. Look at this fitment, bro. My hand don't even go, bro. I gotta reach up like that and then go. The fitment is insane. I am gonna raise this though, because it does scrape a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. It does scrape a little bit and it's kind of annoying. So I am gonna raise this, but when I get new wheels, because on this wheel, on the stock wheels, I really don't care. I need to replace all these wheels anyway because they're scratched up and messed up and I didn't coat them or anything when I got the car. So I need to replace them anyway if I'm being honest. But I think that's gonna be it for the side of the car, man. Let's move on to the back. Ooh, what y'all doing here? Y'all wanna see more mods? All right, I guess. Starting off with the tips. No, oh, whoa. No diddy. No diddy. Starting off with my AWE full catback exhaust. This exhaust sounds insane. Don't believe me? Hear this. With the turbo whistle. Anyways, man, that exhaust was fully worth it, especially paired with the downpipes. And also coming on to the back, guess what? M Performance style diffuser, bro. Now, I'm waiting on one last thing. And when I say I'm waiting on it, that means I'm waiting on it to be ordered by me, because I ain't ordered it. You don't want to know why? Because you didn't like the video. So go like the video right now so I can order it. All right, y'all, the last and final thing I'm missing is that this is an M Performance style spoiler, but it's so tiny, bro. It just look like, you know, it's not big enough. So we are literally waiting. When I say waiting, that means I didn't order it. You wanna know why? Because you didn't like the video. Go like the video. We are gonna order the M Performance Pro. If anybody knows where I can get one, cheaper than $800, but it's the real M Performance one, let me know. Go ahead and comment down below. I definitely want some new parts, man. So let me know about all the carbon, because I'll get it, bro. So we are waiting for the M Performance Pro. And once we get that, the outside of the car will literally be complete paired with two other things that I have planned. But overall, that's pretty much it, what I have done to the car, because I get asked so much what I get done to the car and everything. And that is it, man. I don't know if this was like what y'all expected, but this is not the end. There's more to come. If you think I'm done, think again. And just when you think I'm done again, think one more time. And when you think that time, think again. Because I'm not done, I won't ever be done.